Constructed of high-quality materials for long-lasting durability. Direct replacement for a proper fit every time. Instructions included for assistance with installation. No special tools necessary. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the Amazon garage. Restore functionality of your vehicle's center console lid with our center console kit. Includes all the materials and hardware needed to complete the repair. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect replacement. Very simple to install. Great price. I believe it took me about 20 minutes from start to finish on this little project. I would highly recommend this one to anyone looking to replace their lid on the console with something new.